Hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching me from. My name is John Kennedy. You're welcome to Financial Freedom Hub, the online earning tutorial channel. In this video, I want to show you how to earn passive income daily through liquidity farming and the Ultron Decentralized Exchange. How to earn passive income daily through liquidity farming on the Ultron swap or the Ultron Decentralized Exchange. Those of you who are already family members of Ultron and Mavi, you know that you purchase a staking hub in Mavi and then you earn daily passive income of 0.2% on your staking hub for the next 1 year. And then after that, another 1 year it will halve and then it will continue for the next 5 years. I want to show you how you can also earn the same passive income by buying Ultron coins directly on the exchange. That's the Ultron swap or the decentralized exchange. And then you swap some into another pair so that you can provide liquidity and earn daily passive income, just as in the case of Mavi's hubs, staking hubs. But here, the difference here is you have full control on your coins. Unlike the Mavi, where you have to wait for 1 year, your coins are locked, you have no access to them. It means the price of Ultron coin going to 100 Ghana, $100 right now, you cannot do anything if you don't have any of the coins from outside the Mavi back office. But here I want to show you how you can have full control of your coins at any time. You can decide to remove the liquidity and sell your coins at any time. So I want you to watch this video to the end, share the video, like it, and then subscribe to our channel if you haven't done that yet. And then watch this video to the end as I take you step by step how you can farm liquidity and earn daily passive income. All right, so let's get inside and then let's see how it works. I'll take you to the back office and then I'll show you the Ultron swap. So here we are, ultronswap.com. So you go to these three lines here and then we go to farming, liquidity farming. So already I have my coins there. So what you can do is you can purchase the Ultron coins and then you swap part into any of the pairs, the pools that you want to provide liquidity. So we have 5 pools so far. So you can see the USDT, ULX pair, USDC, ULS pair, USDT, USDC pair, and then the wrap Ether ULS pair, and then ETC ULX pair. So we have 5 pools right now. And then in order for you to maximize your profit, look at the APR that is available, and then look at the liquidity. Now, what that tells you is that the higher the liquidity, the lower the percentage you can earn. Depending, it means a lot of people are providing liquidity. So if your liquidity you are providing is not quite significant, the percentage that you will earn will be small. So looking at all these 5, I realized that this is the highest APR, that's the earning rate, and then the lowest liquidity. It means with this, any amount I provide, it will be quite significant, and then I'll earn more tokens or more coins. So I decided to go for this one. So I click on it, and then I click on supply. So I come here, and then I select the total number I want to supply. So I select maximum, and then I come down here, and then I say, so you see, I'm going to get 84.36 LP tokens, that's liquidity token. So I click on supply and then I wait for the transactions. You have to confirm the transaction twice. So you wait for it and then you scroll down, first confirmation, and then you wait for the second confirmation to come. Please watch the video to the end to follow step by step how to do it till the time you stake, and then you watch and see how you will begin to earn your tokens almost immediately. So we wait for the second confirmation to come. All right, so there we are. And then we click on confirm, and then we wait for the transaction to be confirmed. So what we are going to do now is we have got about 82 liquidity tokens. So it is those liquidity tokens that we are going to stake. and then we'll begin to earn ULS or wrapped ULX from the liquidity pool for the transaction fees that are paid when people are purchasing or swapping. So what we do is we go back here and then we come to farm, and then we click on that same, and then we click on stake, and then we click on total, and then we confirm. It means we are going to stake that amount of liquidity token. Okay. So we confirm, and wait for the second confirmation. So the first confirmation is done. The next confirmation, so we confirm, and then we allow it to confirm. All right, so confirm transaction. So view on Etherscan, you can now go and view it on Etherscan and see the transaction details there. But still running. All right, so it's done. Let's go check and see. So there you can see immediately. So now let's go back close here. So you can see that in the WETH ULS pool, you can see that we already have 0.024 ULS tokens, which is equivalent to 0.0019. And so every minute it will be updating, and then you begin to see your earnings inside there. So we wait for a minute, and then we can refresh, and you can see that the figure has changed. So you can see it has changed, and it will continue like that. That is your earning that you are going to be earning like that. So 0.098, and then very soon it will become 1 ULX. So in the next 24 hours, you can imagine how many ULS coins you are going to gather, over 200 ULS coins, and then you will be seeing the dollar value here concurrently according to the price of the ULS coin on the market currently. So once you continue to confirm it, you can see that it is updating like that. Every second you are earning. That is what the power of passive income can do. So it is good to have a staking hub in Mavi, but if you have some surplus or some extra income, go to the Ultron swap, get some Ultron coins, and then maybe divide them into two, swap half to another coin. Maybe you can come to Ether, because I told you that the liquidity is low. It means you get high percentage, and then you can see that the APR too is very good. And so come and give it a try. Try any amount you have purchased. Try small and see how it works for you. And then you are on your way to start earning passive income on daily basis. And good thing is, let me show you something. So you can harvest it at any time. So let's say maybe you stake it or you provide liquidity for 2-3 days, and then you come and see that you have some appreciable number of Ultron coins, the wrapped ULS coins. Then you can just come and click on it and harvest it. So let's say you come here, and then you can see the amount you have there, and then you just click on harvest, and then you harvest. In harvesting, what you are doing is the coins you have earned, you are removing them here and sending them to your wallet. And then if you want to unstake, maybe the price of Ultron coin goes to $100, and then you want to sell your coins, you can unstake. And then so you click here and unstake, and then you remove it from the liquidity pool, and then you have your coins back. You can change everything to ULS, and then you can decide you are selling your coins. All right, so that's how it is. So follow the video, give it a try. If you have some surplus money somewhere, just come to the DEX, purchase some Ultron coins, and then swap part of it into wrapped Ether. And then you can begin to earn daily passive income just as you are doing in Mavi, so that you have the two investments running for you. You have control over one. The other one, you are waiting for the timelines for the coins to unlock. And then if you want to remove the auto stake on Mavi, you can do that. But the only thing is your coins are multiplying. But here you have access. And the good thing about this one is Your coins, the number of coins you are earning is not going to reduce after 1 year as compared to Mavi, where after 1 year, the number of coins you earn is split. So from 0.2%, you go to 0.1%, and it will be halving like that. And then at the end of 5 years, that is it. But here it's permanent. Any number of coins you are getting on daily basis, you keep getting the same number till you decide to remove the liquidity. And then the good thing is, whilst you are doing that, the price of the Ultron coin will be going up. And so the number of coins you are getting, the value will be higher on daily basis as we experience price increase for the coin. So let me just refresh again, and you can see that I have 0.52 already Ultron coin. So it will continue like that throughout the day, and then you just be checking your balance, and before you realize you have 10 WLXS, WULX, and then you are seeing the equivalent. So that's how you do it. And then tomorrow I'll do an update video, and then I'll show you the number of coins I have accumulated here. So look at it, it's just 0.54 right now. Tomorrow morning around this time, after 24 hours, I'll come and do an update video, and then I will show you how many coins I have accumulated and how much it is worth in 24 hours. As at the time I'm doing this video is 9:46 a.m. So expect a video tomorrow around this time, again by 10 a.m. tomorrow. I should post a video, an update video or a follow-up video to show you the proof of earning passive income in liquidity farming. And you see that it is quite lucrative. So thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel so that when I post a video, you will be notified. Turn on the notification bell sign, and then you'll be notified anytime I load a video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.